Can you imagine a washing machine that is not only efficient but smart too? Let me introduce you to LG top load washing machine that not only washes your clothes perfectly but is smart enough to make your life easier and more comfortable than ever before. This washing machine comes with Smart Inverter technology, which is an energy-efficient motor that reduces noise and vibration and increases durability. And you know what? LG's TurboDrum gives you a super powerful wash by creating a strong water stream with the drum and pulsator rotating in opposite directions. It tackles even the toughest dirt with ease. Pretty amazing, right? LG's Auto Pre-Wash is the easiest option to clear stain removal concerns. With just one touch, tough stains are ready to be gone. With LG, convenience is assured. In case of any error, you can use the LG ThinQ app or make a phone call to the LG Service Center. A diagnosis can then be made, resulting in less time wasted and avoiding unnecessary visits. So if you are looking for an efficient and smart top-load washing machine, then LG is the perfect choice for you.